Okay, now let's see how do we make the wish box in the form of a pouch. Let's say you don't have the wish box, you don't have that fancy box. So can we use another box or a pouch? Absolutely we can. If we don't have the crystals, can we still use, can we still make the wish box? Yes, absolutely we can. All we need is a pouch or a ziploc or a small box, anything, whatever you have. All you need is a paper. So I have here mine. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of it. But here I've drawn it roughly. So how we do it? We can write up to 1, 2, 3 wishes, or you can write up to 5 wishes. But I have chosen to make 3. Make a small box, Honshazation, Seihiki, Chokureis, and then if you know Karuna Reiki, then you can draw Kriya, you can draw Zebu if you've done the Money Reiki course. All the symbols you feel will be usable for your wish box. Use that. What we need to do, use this pouch, place it, and then very simple, with your hands, you do the prayer. I thank Reiki, I thank myself, I thank all my gurus, Dr. Mikao Sui and all my other gurus. And then we say, I thank all my wishes for being here. Draw Chokure, 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 anti-clockwise, minimum 3 times. Say, purify, 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 remove, give it to Mother Earth. Chokure, 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 charge, charge, charge. Draw Honshazation and Honshazation and Honshazation and Honshazation and connect, connect, connect. Now, either you hold it or you can just keep moving your hand clockwise and say your prayer, each prayer 3 times, or your each affirmation 3 times, your wish 3 times, and then hold it. And so you're, let's say you have mentioned 3 wishes. So now you have to elaborately think about them. Let's say I've thought of having a promotion in next 3 months, and I'll be the CEO of a company. So I have to imagine that how it would be to be working as a CEO of so-and-so company. What would I be wearing, and what would be my plan of action? So the deeper we go, the deeper we connect with our wish. So we have to make that connection. We have to believe ourselves that this has come true. So our wish will be sorry, will be written. I'm happy and I'm thankful that I'm a so and so and so and so company by the end of 3 months, which would be whatever date. If you want to put a date and year, absolutely go ahead and do that. So there's a lot of deep thinking going on with this part now. So we do it for 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. All the 3 wishes, we thought about it, we live it, and once it's finished, the Seihiki, 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 balance, stabilize, Shukure, and thank you. We say thank you, Reiki. I thank myself. I thank my gurus, and then we say I thank all my fulfilled wishes for being here. That's about it. We say thank you to the Mother Earth for absorbing all the negativity from our pouch. And it's the simplest way. We need to give ourselves minimum of 21 days for our wishes to come true. So whatever wish we write, we have to be practical. We have to know that practically how long will this wish take to come true. So absolutely.